Did you know that regularly cleaning your Levoit humidifier is essential for maintaining the quality of air in your home? Let's learn how to clean it with vinegar. Over time, bacteria and mold can build up in your humidifier, leading to health issues and unpleasant odors. That's why it's important to clean it regularly. Cleaning your Levoit humidifier with vinegar is an easy and effective way to remove mineral buildup and kill bacteria. Simply mix equal parts vinegar and water and let it soak for 30 minutes before rinsing. It's important to clean your humidifier every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on usage. And remember to replace the filter regularly to maintain the quality of air in your home. So, let's keep our Levoit humidifiers clean and our homes healthy. Do you have any other tips for maintaining a humidifier?